Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Bluebird Backcountry Bacon Brawl course preview. All right, we're a couple days out. The registration's been open for a bit. We have over 50 people registered. Stoked on that. Bluebird, I was there on Monday checking out all the things. I think they're over 90% of the terrain is open right now. A couple of the pucker shoots are not open to public yet, but we are going to be able to utilize them, which is super exciting. Registration includes your day ticket. So if you don't get enough skiing during the race, you can go out and tour some more. And who knows, maybe I'll throw you some discounts to other races if you go out, tour, and pick up my flags. Pork Slider Lunch, going to get a bunch of that stuff going. Upslope Beer, Athletic Brewing Company, and all of that stuff. And Bluebird will be providing the bacon. So it is our third race in the Cosmic Colorado Ski Mountaineering Cup Point Series. So there are points here in the Cosmic area over there. So let's get going on this. All your registration details, 9:30 start time. We have a little pre-race run through at 9:20. We will need a pass and do all of the waivers, waiting on a link from them. So we'll get that going. Unfortunately, it's not Arapahoe Cafe pork sliders, but it's going to be just as delish. 4,500 vert and all that. So let's go to our beautiful course map that we got going here. We're going to share this on social and the website here in a second. I feel like it is very colorful and kind of hard to read. So we're going to have this as a reference, but we're going to go back to our online mapping thing. So we're 360. So here we go, Bluebird Backcountry. We start at the base area. Woo! We're all okay. So we're gonna head west to our west area first. We're going to go up the West Bowl skin track, and then we're going to sneak up this uphill track right here. And there's a chance we'll go up this other track if it's wider and they let us do it. But regardless, we're going. We have it's going to get kind of tight quickly, and not a ton of passing opportunities. So be nice. Then we get to the top of this. We're going to go down our Whomping Willows, and as the name suggests, there are Whomping Willows. There are a bunch of willows that we get to ski through. Then we get to ski through nice trees and gladed opportunity. Down here to the Perch is their little snow shack, so we're going to transition there. We're going to go back up West Bowl skin track all the way to the top of this West Bowl area and ski down through these glades. So yeah, we'll have 2 laps, 2 ski descents on West Bowl. So let's just get you back up here into this. So we are here going around, descent, and then we are going to go up their little meat hill. I know it's only like 200 vertical, but what the meat hill skin track does, and then this descent, it allows us easier return to the base area without as much skating and double pulling. So then we'll get all the way to the base area, and then we will transition after some skating and pulling, going up their main skin track, their elk hide skin track. We get to our the whatever they call it, the headwaters here. We're going to take a left. There are purple diamonds on on this skin track. All of their skin tracks have diamonds. I'll also put some flagging on the trees. But super cool that all these skin tracks are done. So we get to the top of this. We will get to a sign that says left to Cougar Hunt or right to Creme de la Creme. We're going to ski Cougar Hunt because it was a little bit more protected in the trees from that harsh southern sun. See how much snow they got today, but that could be audible tomorrow when I set course. If Creme de la Creme is skiing really well, we'll do that. But right now we're going to do Cougar Hunt, back to the main sled road, up the side hustle, skin track, and we're going to then keep on going up Wapiti Way It looks like it goes back downhill, but it doesn't. It's a nice up and traversing. Not very many kick turns in this race, guys. And yeah. So each of these skin tracks have the angles, the average angle marked, and they're pretty good, pretty consistent. Some of these have a couple little steep sections, but I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. We're going to get to this junction, and that is where the short course, blue short course. This would be short course J, because we're at J according to this map now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to H. We ski cougar hunt I, and then we're going to go up to calling this blue J, because it's a blue and it's a J, and short courses are blue. All right, so we have our blue shortcut down Ursa Minor for the short course. All right, long course, we're going to keep on going up the Continental Divide skin track, and we're going to get to our namesake Cosmic Couloir, even though it's more about the Couloir Cosmique. We're calling it the Cosmic Couloir. So this is going to be a nice, fun, steep one. I've posted a couple pictures, and I'll post a video on social media about these couloirs. But yes, top is jump turns, like a little side slipping in, and then jump turns most of the way down. There aren't rocks. There's a couple logs, so you won't destroy your skis, but be mindful of that. You're going to keep skiing past your boot pack right here, all the way. Whoa, I don't want to know about this area. I'm telling you guys about this area. Skiing down Cosmic through these glades, and then we will transition here at a fence line, and the high-speed quads, meaning your legs, not a lift, will take you back to Wapiti Way, and then you will go zooming up that mountain. All right, it's a nice, fast, aesthetic track, and then you will pass that descent. We're going to go all the way to the summit this time, all the way to the summit, and right now the Calorical of Narnia or Probst Blue Ribbon are our two options for descents, whichever one is kind of working best, and the patrol gives us the go-ahead. There's a chance that they're not going to give us the go-ahead, which is going to be sad, and we'll have to do a little plan B action, but we're going for it. You're going to ski only like 300-400 feet, but it's skiing really well because it's a little bit more protected from the sun. Get over to this bacon strip boot pack, which is super aesthetic. Goes through that again. All those pictures on social, and then you're going to take a hot date because you're right before Valentine's Day, and zoom in through these trees. These trees, they're no joke. So long course and short course, we have trees, and it's pretty tight tree skiing. It's kind of, if you just kind of do fall line, you end up in the gut anyway. So that's kind of a little bit of a choose your own adventure. You cannot, as long as you're going downhill, you're not going to get lost. So then we get back to what they call the headwaters right here, and the resort is open. So be mindful of people. You're not gonna gain much by keeping speed here, and just be mindful of the public as they're also utilizing this. Then it will be a little bit of a skate and a double pull to a slower finish here at the base area. And so that is where we're at. I'll send an email out to the 50 racers that has all of this, so if you have Onyx, or even if you don't, you can still view it online and kind of do your own walkthrough. Again, the labels, you can click on each of the waypoints and they will have your label there. You can click on your route and it will tell you each individual climb, A to B. Your full length vert is on the map that will be on the website. And any other questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and keep on touch with social media, and I'll try to post things on the website as they come. The race registration website, WebScore, that's not the best place to have most updated information, as it is pretty clunky and hard to update. So again, website is the best. I'll send out an email and up-to-date on Instagram, and then shared to Facebook will be the ways to go. So keep that going, and then I will have like all my races have a highlight reel where you can click on it and go through that. So yes, here is the boot pack I was talking about, bacon strip boot pack. Super fun, very similar to our Cosmic Coolar. And thank you so much. See you on Saturday at, what time did we say? 9. Registration's 8 to 9. They're showing up a little early for us, and 9:30 start. Nice and relaxed. Cutoff time at the short course location is going to be 9:11:15, just so you don't get stuck on the backside of the mountain in the pucker chutes and getting really tired, because there aren't any lifts and there's only one sled. So we'll have that award ceremony hopefully around 12:30. Come enjoy the drinks, enjoy the food, and enjoy skiing the rest of the day if you are up for it. Thanks so much.